morning. Now that we've done some research about the insight of the problems that these people face with your chosen topic, the next stage for somebody who is developing a user experience, all this work that we're doing goes along with user experience design. It's a field that's highly profitable and in demand. So we come up with these problems, and now we develop hypothetical characters who are going to be representing our target audience. So just to make sure I have this here, you generate a hypothetical profile of the person who is the target of your project. Because we're really trying to get into their shoes, so we're developing somebody who we think would match the general population of who we're trying to hit. So for this next slide, I've got pictures of two example personas used in a project for preparing students for studying abroad in a country that doesn't speak the same language. So here, this is the one person. It's Eleanor Jameson. It has her interests. You don't have to worry about demographics. That's really not used anymore. But what her day looks like before going abroad, what are their comments on like what things they may be interested in. You can pause and read this if you want. Next one, here's a boy, Brian Lopez. Same idea. Interests. What does their day look like, this hypothetical person? What do they do every day? And then what are their concerns with going into this new environment? Now, there's a video that I have for you that goes into this process more in depth. And your task today, first you're going to watch that video. Okay, I think that they do a better job than I can because it's made by professionals in the field. Then what you're going to do is develop two personas for your project. I'm going to make a template, and I'm going to post that in the classwork tab, and what I'm going to have you do is take snips of your template and put it into the LDL sheet for grading. Okay? If you have questions, I will be around during our video chat, and I wish you the best of luck.